What's going on, guys? Welcome back for part 5 of the Chevy 3100 rebuild. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and finish up the driver's side cowl that we were working on last time. And then from there, I'm not sure what we're going to be doing yet. Maybe mounting the bed, maybe adjusting the rear cab mounts. I'll show you guys what's going on with them. Or maybe we'll pull the motor. I'm not sure yet. I did get all the parts for the rebuild for the motor in the other day. So we'll definitely go over those either in this video or the next. But let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so a little change of plans. Got access to the cherry picker, so I did go ahead and pull the motor, drop the transmission. That way I can finish up the firewall, get that squared away, as well as the rest of the welding. And from here, we'll definitely go finish up that cowl section now. And then probably jump onto the firewall. You can see this piece here that's cut, and that was the original engine cross member, but it's too high, so we had to cut that just to fit it in there. Gonna be redoing that and making a new one so that it's lower. So that'll probably be in the next video, maybe the one after that. And then we'll probably go ahead and figure out the cab mounts. You can see just the angle iron I used. I welded it on there for now, but I'm definitely gonna go ahead and put some gussets on there, as well as finish up the rear cab mounts. So let's go ahead and let's get started. guys, so I went ahead and finished welding that in. You can see here's where I just spot welded it, and then here I butt welded it up. Came out pretty good. Can't really complain. Sometimes these aftermarket panels don't fit all that great, but this one actually went on pretty good. Can't really complain at all. You know, a little bit of body filler on here, which I'm probably not going to do today. I'll probably do all the body filler and all the body work on this truck in the same day. So this is on there now. Still a little bit of work to do down here. I'm not really that worried about it right now. But yeah, a little bit of filling right there, just a touch. But overall, looks pretty good. All the holes here line up, so no worries there. Looks like someone did some weirdo repair here. We'll fix that as well as all this fun stuff. But for right now, this piece is on there. It is solid. It is not going anywhere. All right, guys, I think next I'm going to go ahead and get at this here firewall. See if we can get it situated. All right, guys, this is where I'm at with the firewall. I did go ahead and trim out to where I'd already boxed on the inside. I did this a while ago, but I never trimmed out the top piece here because the motor was here and I just didn't want to get sparks and metal shavings everywhere. So now that the motor and transmission are out, I did go ahead and trim this out to where it is. It is all welded in place from the inside as well, as you can see, but I am going to go ahead and weld this from the inside. Clean it up a little bit and finish up what we got to finish up. I doubt we'll get this whole section here done today, but you know, we'll get a start at it, and then hopefully we'll be able to finish it up tomorrow. So you can see I didn't put the top piece in yet, so we'll be doing that as well. So let's go ahead and we'll get started. All right, guys, this is going to be it for this episode. As you can see, I didn't finish the firewall here, but I did get a good amount of it done. But that's all I got time for this week. So next week we'll get this finished up here down here. You can see this is all got to get finished here, and then this has got a little bit of a rot in here, so we'll fix that up. Obviously this video isn't as long as the normal ones. Unfortunately I didn't have my tripod with me the last 2 days, so I couldn't really film as much, but next week I'll definitely have that with me, and we'll get some more filming done so you guys can see what's going on. Alright, so like I said, that'll be it for this video. I'll catch you guys next week.